So I have to ask myself, before I chop off the RE, I have to ask myself, what conjugation is my verb?
Fourth.
It's fourth. Okay? So,
Well, you're already using the fourth.
well, hold on. No, it's not fourth principal part, it's fourth conjugation. Okay, so that means before I add the NS, I have to add an E right here. Remember, because like that all imperfects have a vowel song you learned with this Purcell last year? Yeah. So since it's fourth, you have to add the IE. Okay, so NS, NTIS, right?
You have to do that for all of them that are fourth, for like number 7, you have to do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, for the PPP, I need to know the fourth principal part of audire, right? Which would be what? Auditus. And that's all I'd write down there, right? Okay, how do I take that and make it the FAP? I'd say, there you got it. Good. Sure, okay, so what am I going to do?
Do not add
You
endings
chop off
to
the
it.
RE, and since it's not a, it's not.
Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to take the RE off right here, right?
Yes.
Okay, and I'm going to say ignore ontis, right? Okay, then I ask myself, what's the fourth principal part of ignorans, ignorare? It's what? Ignoratus. Okay, and then I...
Just add you.
Yeah, turus. Yep. Sure. Sure. Okay, so monere is what conjugation? Second. Yeah, long E. Okay, so I take off the you tell me what to do.
You chop off the RE.
Okay.
And you add an S.
Yep. NTIS. Okay. Then what do I need to know for the PPP?
You need a fourth.
Fourth principal part. What's the fourth principal part of moneo? Monere, monui, monatus. Good. Okay. Then how do I make that the future active participle?
You are before the US.
Yep.
Why is there an I?
Why is there an I?
Like moni. Why is it like?
Monatus. That's just what the fourth principal part of the verb is.
We should do the number 4 so we can have one from every single.
Okay. Tell me what conjugation is of audire?
That's third.
It's third. That's right. Okay. So what am I gonna do?
You're gonna do top of the RE,
Okay.
and then it'd be evadens,
Okay.
intis,
Okay.
Wait, wouldn't there be an E at it?
Yeah. Ians.
That's going to be an I in the.
No, it's not IEN. That's third IO.
Oh.
Okay, so then I have to ask myself, what's the fourth principal part of Iwasus? Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
I remember that. I don't remember that whatsoever.
Okay, and then it's like Iwa Surus. Good. Okay, hold on. We might as well do number 5 now. Okay, tell me about number 5. We might as well do number 5.
First conjugation.
It's first conjugation. So what am I going to do?
Chop off the RE and
Okay. Superontis, right? Okay, then I have to know the fourth principal part. Superatus, that's right. Okay, and how am I going to make that the future active participle? Superaturus. Good.
that's a lot of syllables.
I know. Okay, so Sarah asked me about gaudere being semi-deponent. How is that going to affect? Okay, if you think about the principal parts of that verb, it's gaudeo, right? Gaudere,
Just a third instead of.
gawisusu. Okay, so for your present active participle, you're going to use the infinitive, and so since it looks the same as a regular infinitive, you're just going to like go on your merry way. Take off the RE, right? Gaudens, gaudentis. Okay, but for these other two, you're going to take the third principal part like it was a deponent verb. Okay, so it's going to be gawisus. What would the future active participle be? Gawisur. Woo. Okay.
You just use gold.
Yep. Okay. Cupire. Okay. Well, it's fourth, right? So it's going to have the IE. So it's going to be cupiens. You're right. Cupientis.
For the PPP and FAP for the dairy one.
Uh-huh.
Do you put a V?
Gavisus. Yeah. That's the.
Hopefully you do.
Well, it is cupitus. Yep. And then it's cupiturus. Excellent. Okay, so here's number 8. What's different about number 8 than all the rest of them?
There's no ERE.
What's a yeah? So it's a
It's a second.
deponent verb, right? Okay, so here's what I do with deponent verbs. Okay, I think about what the infinitive would be if it were active. I call it the fake infinitive. Okay, so what conjugation is loquor, loqui, locutu sum? No, it's not fourth.
Third.
It's third. Remember, if you think about your ARE becomes ARI, right? ERE becomes ERI. Short ERE becomes I. Remember that? IRE becomes IRI. Remember that? Okay, so loqui is this one right here. So if I'm going to make it the fake infinitive, it's going to look like this. Okay? But it's fake. Fake, 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 fake. Okay, so then I use that to take off my RE, right? And make my PAP. Okay? But if my... Okay, so here's my principal parts. Loquor, loqui, locutus sum. So you tell me how what would I say for the PPP? I'd say locutus. Good. What would I say for the FAP? Good. Okay. Excellent. Does that help? Does it help you out a little bit? Okay. So what about dare? What am I gonna say? Dons. Dantus. Okay. What am I gonna say for the PPP? Datus. Good. What am I gonna say for the FAP? Daturus. Good. Okay, what about essay? This is a tricky one. Nope. 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 Okay, so there is no present participle for the verb to be. That's why I remember in our ablative absolute we had to stick being in there. Remember that? Okay, is there a PPP?
Yes.
No, there is no PPP.
We got bamboozled.
There is an FAP. What is it? Sum, essay, fui, futurus. Okay, you see how it has the UR in there? Okay, that's how I know it's my FAP and not the PPP.